Hello everyone. In the last video, we talked about what is GitOps. We saw what are the benefits of having GitOps and where all we can enable it. Today, in this video, we will see how we can enable GitOps for creating Jenkins jobs. So I'll be creating a playlist of videos on which I will show you step by step how we can enable GitOps for creating Jenkins jobs. But before starting, I want to show you a quick demo how it will look like when I enable GitOps for creating my Jenkins jobs. So let's jump on to the demo. So this is my Jenkins instance which I'll be using in this video. I already have few jobs created here. Let's see what they have. So this job, let's say, has 5 different stages. This further has, let's say, 4 different stages. This all again have let's say 5-6 different stages. So let's say I have to create 3 similar jobs to this. So what I can do is I can just copy this name, go back to the dashboard, click on new item, give it a new name, let's say dynamic job 4, and then I will copy it from here. Doing this is one way which guys generally do, but we will not do this. Rather than that, as I already mentioned, we will do the GitOps thing. So for creating my Jenkins jobs similar to any particular job, I will not go to Jenkins. Rather than that, I will go to GitHub and then I will create my jobs from there. Let's see how. So this is my Git repository. I will explain everything later on. Let's focus on the demo first. So you can see I have 3 YAML files here with name job 1, job 2 and job 3. You can see I have some information mentioned here. And let's say I have to create a new job similar to job 3. Then what I'll do, I will just copy paste this file. I will just name it as, let's say, job 4. And I will just change few parameters here. Let's say if needed, I can add or subtract environments also. Let's say for this job, I don't need my dev environment. So I will just remove it from here. Let's try to create one more copy of it with name job 5. I can create as many copies as I want. For this, let's say I don't need QA environment. I only need dev and prod. Just by doing this, let's commit it now. I have committed my changes in Git. So now I have pushed my changes and I have one seed job here which will do the sync between my GitHub repo and Jenkins jobs. I have put this on auto build mode. So the moment I will do any push in Git, this will automatically get triggered. And if you see, this is already running here and it has now completed. Earlier it was showing like generated items as job 1, 2, 3. Let's do a refresh and now it says I have job 4 and 5 also. Let's open both of them and let's try to build. So for now I have just created dummy jobs which will just do a echo message. I'm not focusing on how to create a pipeline job. My focus is to show you how we can automate the creation of Jenkins jobs using the GitOps way. So you can see here on my job 5, I have intentionally kept only dev and prod environments. So you can see this job has 5 stages, including deploy dev and deploy prod. Similarly, on my job 4, I excluded dev and I included QA. So you can see this job has again 5 stages, but it doesn't have deploy dev. Instead of that, it has deploy QA. So now you can relate how we can use GitOps for creating Jenkins jobs. I'm just doing some push in Git and using that thing only I'm generating my Jenkins jobs automatically. I don't even have to do anything. I have to just do some changes in Git, create a PR. Once that PR is approved, or let's say once that PR is merged onto my main branch, jobs will get auto generated here. It's that simple. Now let's see how to do this step by step.